This is a 14-step guide to making cremes, which are like a popsicle-like thing in bags. The first step in making these cremes is you gotta test your aim at some of the cito fruits. Watch this. Beautiful. Or you can just wait till it falls. Step 2, get a bottle. Step 3, make sure the bottle that you got is exactly 1 liter. Step 4, wash your hands. Step 5, today's test the cito. Step something, make really cool music with it. Step 7, fill up the bottle with the cito. Step 8, put water in it. Step 9, shake it. And 1, and 2. In the middle. And 1, 2, push those abs. 2. In the middle. And out. And hold it. You feel that? Now turn it. Shake. Shake. All right, now back to 1. And 1. And 2. In the middle. And 1. And that's good. This is what it looks like when it's done.
You can see the seeds and all the stuff came off the seeds.
Step 10, sift through a wide hold sifter and then a small hold sifter. Beautiful! Step 11, sugar. Don't forget! Add 2 scoops of sugar and stir it for a really, really, really long time. Step 12, pour it into the bags, about this much. Step 13, tie the bags. Twist them up so they're tight, and then
Grab here.
and
then throw it over
flip it over,
and stick it
and then
through the
stick
hole.
it through the hole. So basically kind of like a basic knot. And then tighten it. Step 13, put the cremes in your freezer that you totally have and wait a really, 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 really long time.
If we had put them in the freezer 10 hours ago, they would have already been done.
Step 14, bite off the corner and enjoy. Side note, your creme should look a lot whiter than ours because we use this special sugar in ours.